In this video, I'll show you how to check storage on your Mac. At the top left corner, click on your Apple icon. Click on About this Mac. Click on More Info. Scroll down. Here you can see the total storage of your Mac. 74 GB available of 245 GB. If you click on Storage Settings, here you can see the individual storage on your Mac. You can see the applications use 25 GB of the storage. If you click on the eye icon, it will display the individual apps that are using the storage. Similarly, you can check for documents and other settings. So this is how you check storage on your Mac. That's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.